Students, I am Anish Pandey from Origin Education online classes. Welcomes you all. Today in this video, I am here to give you the information about the examination date released by NTA, that is National Testing Agency, which is going to conduct the examination. That is, we have the subject conduct of JEE Main April to September, because earlier it was decided to be conducted in April, but now it is going to be conducted in month of September due to COVID pandemic. And NEET UG, that was earlier decided to be conducted in May, but now due to this pandemic it is now going to be conducted in September. Now let's have a look what are the things given by the NTA. On the request of the students, the JEE Main and NEET UG, which were earlier scheduled to be held in the month of July, were postponed to be held in the month of September. Now you can see the clear here are the important dates. In view of the academic interest of the students, the exams are now scheduled to be held as follows. If we talk about JEE Mains, we have the dates from 1st of September 2020 to 6th of September. You should clearly note down this date, 1st September to 6th September. Now if we talk about for this NEET, we have only one date, that is 13th September 2020. Now if we move further, let's check what are the things here. The Honorable Supreme Court has also interfered or that we find that there is absolutely no duration in the prayer made for postponement of the examinations in questions related to NEET UG as well as JEE Mains April 2020. Now it's very clear that our Supreme Court is not going to change the dates now or to postpone. It's very clear dates are not going to be postponed further. Now we move further. We have NTA has the since then released admit cards of JEE Mains examination. The NTA admit cards of NEET UG 20 will also be released shortly, and NTA has ensured that more than 99% candidates get their first choice of the center cities in both examinations. Though NTA is ensuring from their side that 99% they will get their nearest centers. Now let's have a look. The number of examination centers also have been increased from 570 to 660 in case of JEE Mains, you can see here, and 2546 to 1843 in case of NEET UG. Now JEE Mains is computer based test and NEET UG is pen paper test, we can see. Additionally, in case of JEE Mains, the number of shift has been increased from the earlier 8 to 12 now, and the number of candidates per shift has been reduced from 1.32 lakhs to 85,000 now. Now this has been done to protect the students from infection due to this pandemic COVID. Now if we see further what are the new information here is given. 8.58 lakh and 15.97 lakh candidates have been registered for the JEE Mains and NEET UG 2020 respectively. State-wise distribution of candidates and center applicable to the ensuring examination in September 2020 via the examination held last January 2020 for JEE Mains and May 29 for NEET is attached as Annexure 1 and Annexure 2 in order to meet the social distancing requirements. There has been a substantial increase in the number of centers. Now for ensuring social distance outside the examination hall, the entry and exit, now we can see adequate arrangements have also been made outside the examination centers to enable candidates stand with the adequate social distancing while waiting candidates. have also been issued advisory guideline them to do and don'ts for the proper social distancing. So now NTA has also written to the state government to extend the support in the locals movements for the candidate, so as they are able to reach the exam centers on time. Now NTA ensure all candidates a safe environment for the test and solicit cooperation from the candidate and their parents in the following the standard operating procedures. Now let's see what the new next things are here. We can see I was previously I was talking about this annexure. Now in appendix 1 we will see the state-wise center that was earlier supposed to be there, and now what is the current scenario. Now if we talk about the first one state, that is Arunachal Pradesh, that is, and the code is AL. You can see here in April September the candidates were registered 1234, you can see here, and the centers, how many centers are created here? 4. Now in January it was earlier, now this is current. You will see here, this is what is the, this is now the current position. And now if we talk about this is the earlier one before pandemic. Clearly you can see here the shifts are increased from 1 to this is additional. Similarly for this Assam, if we talk about, it is now 6, earlier it was 5 additional plus 1 here is also done. If we talk about this Andaman and Nicobar, earlier it was 4 here. If we talk about Andaman and Nicobar, no increase, no change, it is no change, no issue. Now similarly likewise you can see here line by line, you can the link I will provide in the description. You can see slowly you can, by stopping the video later on, you can see I'm just okay. So now here the total number of students now 9,53,473, and the centers now it is, total centers it is 660. Earlier it was 1,66,450, and the number of centers were 570. Now if we talk about this annexure 2, it showing for the NEET student, that was earlier for the previous up one which I shown, that was for the JEE mains. Now this is for the this NEET. Clearly you can see 2 centers, it was 2, again no issue. Andhra Pradesh it was previously 98, now this is 151. Then we talk about Arunachal Pradesh 8, now it is 11. Clearly you can see it is increasing slowly. You can see the all the states. Now if we talk about the total number, that is 15,97,433, and now centers 3,842. Earlier it was 15,19,375. Now the centers, earlier it was 2,546. So this was all about. I wish you all best of luck. Thank you.